Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete Google Chrome apps. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome launches, direct your attention to the top of the window where you'll see the address bar or search field. This is where you normally type website addresses, but today we'll be using it to access a special Chrome feature. In that search field at the top, type chrome://apps. This is a built-in Chrome URL that takes you directly to a dedicated page showing all the apps you currently have installed in your browser. It's a quick way to view and manage everything in one place without having to dig through menus or settings. After you press enter, the apps page will load. Now you can see all your Chrome apps displayed in a grid layout. These might include web applications, shortcuts, or extensions that function as standalone apps within Chrome. Take a moment to browse through them and locate the specific app you want to remove. Once you've found the app you want to delete, right-click on it. This action will bring up a context menu with several options related to that particular app. Right-clicking is the key here because it gives you direct access to management features for that app. From the menu that appears, click on Remove from Chrome or Uninstall. This option tells Chrome that you want to permanently delete this app from your browser. It's a straightforward process designed to keep your apps organized and clutter-free. After clicking Uninstall, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. Chrome does this as a safety measure to make sure you really want to remove the app and that you didn't click it by accident. This gives you one last chance to change your mind before the app is permanently deleted. Just simply click Remove or Uninstall in that confirmation dialog to complete the process. Once you confirm, Chrome will immediately delete the app from your browser and you'll see it disappear from your apps page. And that's it. You've successfully removed an unwanted app from Google Chrome, keeping your browser clean and organized. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.